If you are in the laboratory and you have these two chemical substances, one is an acid, one is a base. But because you and your friend, you like play too much, you now mix it up. So now you don't know which is the acid, which is the base. How can you now tell? But you need to understand one thing, that every chemical substance has their unique property, be it physical property or chemical property. What are the physical properties of an acid? Number one, acid has a sour taste. I know you like to eat unripe fruit. Now, when you eat unripe fruit, that taste that you get from unripe fruit, it is because of the acid that is present in it. Yes, that is what we mean by acid has a sour taste. Number two, when you bring blue litmus paper into one of it and it turns blue litmus paper to red, my dear, it is giving you a sign that an acid is present. Number three, concentrated form of an acid is corrosive. Now, that corrosive, it looks big. Let us break it down. Corrosive simply means a substance that can eat through or dissolve something else. For example, if you pour acid on your skin now, it can burn your skin. It can pierce hole through clothes. It can dissolve metal. That is what we mean by corrosive. So if any one of these can burn your skin or dissolve metal, that is a sign. Now, if all of these things that I mentioned did not still tell you which is the acid, which is the base, let us look at the chemical property. It's just three. Calm down. Now, number one, whenever you react acid with melter, hydrogen gas is liberated. How can you now do that? Just take a small sample of each of these. React it with any melter like sodium melter, potassium melter. If hydrogen gas is liberated, it is a sign of an acid. To check the gas, just bring a splint near it. If you hear that pop sound, that is hydrogen gas. And it is usually released when acid is reacted with a melter. Number two, acid, when it reacts with base, salt and water is formed. Yes, I know, Emeka, you know that one. It's a neutralization reaction. Yes, let us not waste time. Number three, when acid reacts with thiazocarbonate, salt, water, and CO2 gas is liberated. Meaning that whenever you take a sample of any of this, and then the gas that is released is CO2, it is the sign that it is an acid. Now, I said thiazocarbonate. It can be calcium thiazocarbonate. It can be sodium thiazocarbonate. Thiazocarbonate, so far you see that ending, CO3, it is thiazocarbonate. React it with any, just take a sample, react it with any of it. If CO2 gas is liberated, then it is your acid. How can you tell? Just bring lime water. Let the gas go into the lime water. If the lime water turns milky, that is CO2. And it is acid that reacts with thiazocarbonate and gives CO2 gas. I hope you've learned something. Now, if any of these two give those properties, my dear, that is your acid. I hope you've learned something from this. What we have just done in this video is that we have discussed physical property and chemical property of an acid. Now, go apply that to real world. Ensure to follow me for more videos like this and comment your area of difficulty in chemistry. Till my next video, keep reacting.